What's up you guys, and welcome to another video of this channel. And today we'll be looking into a new way on how you can transform your phone, no matter what it is, into a Galaxy S9 phone. Not literally, but you can transform the system of your phone into a Galaxy S9 system. As you can see right here, I'm using an Android 7 system, which is not that special. I really don't like this system when you have the apps in front of the screen. It's really, I don't know, I just don't like them. Anyway, the phone is really boring right now and I find nothing special about it. So I will show you on how you can transform your phone into the Galaxy S9 using this simple way. It only requires one app. All you have to do is go to your Google Play Store right here. Then you will search for S9 Launcher like this. S9 Launcher. After that, you will take this app. Press the install button. After that, open it like this. And voila, you have now a Galaxy S9 system. It's simple as that. As you can see, I have all the apps right here. The front of the screen apps in here. You have some information about the RAM and the battery, plus many apps that you need. And in here you have a poster to make your phone really light and to makes your phone really faster. And when you press this button, you have all the apps that you need right here. And what makes this app really special, it gives you all the features of a Galaxy S9 launcher. The apps, the recorder, the poster, everything that you need. And if you get really bored of this system and you want your old system back, just press the middle button that gets you out of everything like this, and it will give you, like this, it will give you system you want to use, in the S9 launcher which we'll use right now, or the old launcher like this. And I have my old Android, as you can see right here, but it's really boring, so I press it again and use S9 launcher. Simple as that. As you can see, I have all the apps. It's simple as that. So if you like this video, don't forget to press that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video.